Welcome back, class! So right about now you guys finished watching your YouTube video. So I hope you liked that short little video. I found it very interesting about animals in the desert. I hope you did too, and I hope you learned some things from it. Because next, we're going to click right here to follow along with Google Slides, okay? On the last slide, I will show you that I have a hyperlink, and that's going to take you to a Google form that I hope that you please fill out for me, and I will email your responses so I will know if you did it. Okay, so here is this whole slideshow. We got I think that's a koala or something like that. And I'm just waiting for this to load, and this just goes through different kind of animals in the wild and how they like to protect themselves. So now that we got them all loaded, I'm going to scroll down and you'll see a quick check-in right here. So you're going to click this, and you're going to answer these questions. I only have 3 questions, but you'll see that little star means I need you to answer all 3 questions. And that's just going to be a review of what we just learned from that slideshow. So please take your time. You have a couple answers to think about. But other than that, it's a super easy project. I just want you to go through in this interactive slideshow and learn a couple new things, and then I'll ask you a couple questions about them.